are here in the domestic airport and we are going to be boarding the plane heading down to Busuanga, Coron. It's our first time to try this resort out. It's 2 seasons and our plane was delayed. Obviously, we've been stuck in the airport for quite a few hours. This trip is all about taking my management team from Victoria Court, Hotel La Corona, Hotel 2016 off to a vacation treat for a job well done and a great performance for 2018. Gonna board our Skyjet airplane. This weekend's all about fun, vacation, and relaxation. I can't wait to get on the beach and pop a cold beer. This trip was his idea.
Yes. Don't blame me for the delay, please. It wasn't my idea.
See, if this was a Boracay trip, there would have been many planes that would have been taking off and landing already. Because we had to go to Coron.
Yeah, it's beautiful there, don't you?
Better be beautiful.
Yeah, the picture says so. And here's Javi sending us
my +1.
What is this? Picture.
Hello, +1.
Hello.
What's wrong?
Setting myself up.
For success?
Success.
Would be okay. Happy sending us a picture of a
About to
pizza.
enjoy lunch and tell your pilot to step on it. And we have landed. So we had a very uneventful flight. It's a quick flight, about a 40-minute flight. Now we're waiting for our bags and I think we gotta get in a van and travel, I think 30 minutes. So I'm not quite sure if we're doing a boat, a van, and then a boat. And I know the boat ride is another 45 minutes, so we're still quite a long way to the beach. Need that beer. Headed into the van. So
We might
it's
have to squeeze in.
45-minute van ride.
45 minutes, man.
Just like the plane.
This is tiny. Finally, I'm okay, thank you. Hello, we're finally here. Oh my god, that car ride was horrendous. Hi Ralph, finally here. I need a beer. Morning everyone, it is day 2 of our Coron trip. So yesterday was a bit of a mishap. When we got to the hotel, it wasn't really the hotel that we were all expecting. If you guys are booking for Coron, make sure you book for the Coron Spa Island and not the Bayside Hotel. The Bayside Hotel is on the mainland and the Spa Hotel is on Coron Island. Alright, I'm gonna get on the boat. Morning, Annie.
Good morning, sweetheart. Hi, everyone.
Nice hat.
Thank you. I just bought it.
Today we're gonna be off to the Blue Lagoon. We're gonna do the beach and I think there's 3 destinations. Sadly, one of my batteries discharged overnight, so I only have 1 bat. I hope I can cover the whole thing today and not run out of battery. See you later. Check out these rock formations behind us. This is the first part of the tour. They said we can't swim here because there's like lots of jellyfish around the area. But look how blue the water is. What do you think, honey? Gorgeous. See you later. So you gotta go through this way to get to the Twin Lagoon.
Sorry.
We're in the Twin Lagoon, and that was the bottleneck right there.
Diretso lang ha. Sige, diretso.
Pre, pwede pa anuhin ko muna yung dalawa ko?
Saglit lang, konti na lang to. Tapusin ko lang.
This is our next stop. We're gonna go to the lake, and we gotta hike about 357 steps. We'll probably have lunch here also in one of the little cabanas. This is how they cook the lunch. Ooh, okay. It's 357 or maybe 150 uphill steps. It's about 700 back and forth.
I'll just send you the photos later.
Yes, please. Oh, you're already there pala. This is the lake. Look at this beautiful view. Beautiful. Magnifico. Got Joey to do the diaper thing. Look how beautiful the water is here. We're gonna go under. Moment of truth. Si Mama ano hirap na.
Walang, ito si Angie, may GoPro.
Tignan natin kung may makikita siya. Almost none.
That is so cool. Look.
Yeah. Fine.
It's like you get trapped in your like.
We have light.
You look like a limestone. We cannot see anything.
I can't see
Go,
anything.
go.
Where else are we going?
We're going in.
You're going in.
Wala.
Dun,
Barely
dun,
see you.
Dun, 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 dun. My jaws, guys, my jaws.
Are you moving forward? Now leaving the lake, off to have some lunch. I'm so hungry. It's good swim though, fresh water. It's a little brackish, 30% salt, 70% fresh. Okay, excited for lunch, and then we're gonna go to the beach and chill out. Tough day, but someone's gotta do it. Feel the burn.
Yep, definitely feeling it.
Lunch is gonna be good.
Gonna be ulam.
The water here is so nice and fresh. Just trying to avoid rocks, walking lightly.
Okay, ma'am. 350 po. Thank you.
Time to disembark our boat. Back to the hotel. Appear muna. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Oh, look at that cloud. Gorgeous. Morning, everyone. It is day 3 of our vacation. Yesterday was fun. We went to the Twin Lagoons, and then we went to the Kayangan Lake, and then after that we just chilled out on some beach resort. I'm gonna show you guys the map. We are right here. We went over here to 8 and 9, and then today we're supposed to go to 16 right down there. Getting back on the boat, doing an hour-and-a-half boat ride to go to Malapascua, which is a beach resort or a beach sandbar, and then we're just probably gonna chill out there. First stop on the itinerary is going to Bamboo Beach, which is right over there. Nice water day, clear skies. We have arrived in Bamboo Beach, and it's all ours. Awesome! Magandang umaga po. ultimate time on Bamboo Beach. Thank you very much to the owners. We didn't clean up the beach. I found some plastic to get rid of. Right now, we're headed back to the hotel to chill out, and then we have an amazing dinner tonight, and that's going to be the end of our trip. Tomorrow, we are going back home to Manila. Thank you. It's the end of our trip. One more dinner and that's it, back to reality.
That's it, Pansit.